Hi, I'm Matt Brook at Roof Masters of Arizona. We are at 19208 North 47th Ave in Glendale. Client's name is Michael and Cynthia Whitney, or Littwin, I apologize. The claim number 7009 436 275-1. We're going to try and do a repair on this, and the first thing that I have that appears to be a problem already is the shingle that's on there is about 39 and a quarter. The shingles that we have available are 40 and a half inches. So already we know that it's not gonna fit. I can't cut it in the field. Manufacturer specs don't allow me to do that. So we'll go ahead and we'll try and attempt it anyway, even though I don't anticipate it working very well. I'm not lifting the shingles above 45 degrees. Alright, we got that one out. The first thing I notice is there's 2 layers on this, which makes it a little bit more difficult, obviously. The other issue I have is the new shingles are quite a bit bigger than the old shingles. The nail strips are longer, so to fit them in will not work. So I'm flush on this side. I was flush on this side. I'm flush on this side. It's as high up as I can get the shingle without picking all of these up and removing more layers, damaging more shingles, and my overlap is at least 1 inch. So as opposed to go ahead and nail this back in, we're just going to call this a failure, because there's really no way for us to repair these shingles. Yeah, I appreciate it. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.